Hi guys, good morning, ay good noon na pala guys, 5 minutes to 12 noon here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines it's 5 minutes to 7 na ng gabi. So ngayon guys, nagluluto ako ng binagoongang baboy. Ayan guys. Ayan, luto na to guys. Sira na naman ang ating diet nito guys. Binagoongang baboy. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, ang ating binagoongang baboy. At syempre guys, luto na to guys. Kapag ganito ang ulam guys, naku po, iyak, masisira ang diet mo. Rice is life. So, guys, kain tayo, guys. Babush. Sarap. Sarap nito, guys. Ito na to, guys. Babush.